Tebasa ne hadwe teacher ye ni nkomo kecho bi ansa na ye mamofra na kwanya na omo abeye oyechira na memo wache na ho tesen
na me adum
nyame adum na ewiem tesen school tesen eni mofra no wabrabo a wo bono changes bem you who on say schools are they learning say
in fact
teacher ba chire kuduru sen
what was it
ochire ade kuduru sen
JHS3
senior wo enti omo abrabo no omo bono sen especially 3-4 no
form 3-4 na enti ebi tutu na bo mu hu modern fa
do na bo mu no mo makan be mu
ebi nso ya kokwasa
na yesi ya kokwasa okay se bi ya kokwasa de ade ne nhwe na yehu kwan be fa so a be improve omo adesua if se bi ya kokwasa as you are saying some are serious and then some are we can say they are joking omo funny easy me say if that is the right word because omo funny say be after all what is it then be ko kwotro ati say teacher luto donku and holiday ni aka ni say basa yenhwe omo akọ form no omo adesua no is it because they are not taking it serious sabi omo abon sana ya twi no mutaka but it's not the right way now getting from what is it how can we improve omo adesua na boa because ebe ya so about from abrobika yi we dey tingagati for ya start free one more baby do churches ska wotua sabi ebi mo churches for ni be a body I remember say my girl no friends saying girls wonderful oputuja na honoku school and no me borders at I say one ko ya wi imagine you started from borders never pass or send a macro borders so almost saying na wono muti enti you started free one more na dey ababedu just 3 na bofan we school na sabi kapre bamba me kire the results ebe basa wo bad time no be so obufu and so yen din komo kakra bi ye ma sorry for kwan no mo display my how can we help them
okay you say school no addition ne nkwala no modern bono ye hwe no kwan ahodo pi so ho enti dey kan ye hwe akwala no kra no e fe bi entering behavior
wa bofo na ya na wa na wo ya na o eski kan kra
was if your jumano
okay entering behavior
akwala no kra no answer na obe free now oba school no ne tibia mu tisai
okay
so okay ana emre bia no teachers no ye target ye akwada ba akusi e wo so mu nyina gu ho but o target
why you mu nyina gu ho
ma say o classroom ho but target no ye say o target akwada bia individually
okay
okay nti ye shadow say bia na adwim say na wadwune cognitive ni a hwe affection ni emotions
yo woma de ema ade na wo ye akoma wo de ma de wo ye
ana ye wo psychomotor say obadwune no ode nensa aye bibi
okay
enti ansa kra na obefri efi na obaba school no e de ne course
ewu fi
aka sa niam miensa we no
okay
senior ordinary no cognitive no any affection no na come senior ode ba be gi asem any sa psychomotor na make no enti ever say bia akura na be school na ma me ne papa akontokwa
you know for home
I don't know they are whole be so
ya ribo funi
oba school na no be dey oba dwen ho one way or the other
okay
ana say bia wa ye bibi na wa kan anima monabro so ntabasa adwene gbe na ode ba ebetina
wa kan anima monabro so me pe wono akura na bibi mabono Number so abro so no say. So so na bro na mabono.
I say bia tempidie bi esan we san de tat o be kan.
So some say sabi abro. Jimmy wo bata bofra kuma ho. Nti ye den so for wa fato. What I say now I na mahwena. Wo say atandide na atandide de say na ko fa enkomo na ba. Many what be de mahwe. And that is not the way.
Fine, wait me up punish no ba. Oh, you say you punish no ne kwan so. And I say so ye timely on say no pa wo boa no akọ school. Enti say bibi si wo fie na say ebe ya dia ebe ha no na dream ni emotions ni adade na all this ade na betina classroom wa the teacher ni be kan bia enkosi aga
sir okay
nti ya hwe no omo performance no ne bi ha omo bi distractions aha ebia wo no akwada no ebe school no ebi obi o cry so won koton bibi kakra ansa no aba obaba no
no sa so si ni di o
obaba so no ay late and so my bi o Facebook so kan na ya friend o ko esi yes now as a uchintwa na
name
additions when pesa
okay usuan dia so jana
and sa phones to send so ya abey and also so distracted one say bi am say wa ko fi am na homework bi so we na phone na dey and the social media ya be na o da ho sa anti go say homework no onye and there sound so educational materials and near my esa akola ni nya no di esuade no e wo ha na say eni ho e bit say textbooks e bit say ene abefu nyema ya abey projectors ni sa nyema ya abey so ani na ebeboa akola ne modimbo ena akola angasa ono so ne conduct o dia betina classroom onza akola bi wa teacher che na dia na adwini ho na I feel absent mindedness na you need the teacher no can so ebi so aso din pa ti eba ne sa na ade kire no ye be kire wa kwesi say ye ma work a wonti minye so and I say another challenge so on here how to study obi okura wo bie book na kwan e fa so ye say osua de no woni obi wa obi ha na akobie ha o kan ha kakra nti bi nso kura nim how to study tingina na yesa yetimi e kire o mo na bua ma o mo enwomasua no etumpom ana another challenge nso a ese ne o mo face pa ye sa new curriculum na aba no
questions me no abom na wan san me too
sa new curriculum na aba no enu nso kwan a anyema aban no opese ye kire nkwala no ene kwan a opese ye fa so a ye kire wo mo
teacher oya kan kwan ben opese mo fa so
kwan opese ye fa so se ye fa so kire nkwala na de ne se ye free bibi child center so wo hwe akwada no senior oti akwada bu o wa ono no de kasa ene kire na de a oti obu o nso so a kire wo de wani ayede ordinary ayede
ahwe wani okay okay
and I say
so some of the
first they say there was a critical thinking yeah they are no to ho na wa dwene ho hu say
o say na person
yeah patch answer na wo the one sana ba enye simple to say first na you say bia what is this what is that no you see no a situation or the assembly to ho na wa koda na wa dwene ho ama na be si ade na ya kire wo school ni so
university
critical
thinking dey say omo di gusu anu maja ho
critical thinking no ase no ndi say no nya twa mpontu ya koda bi a wo wan wan say wo be kan news na akoya what is no atwe gu ho a enkoye enu ntina se no
nya enkoye nya sa na tie mami hu say nya sa na tie bi
nya sa na tie e be say ese nkola ni na so no so say
e bu a wa adwena ho na fa ho ene enu e betwa mam do so
so and this say no adibia bibia na kwan adwene ni se ne wo ba adwene asem hu na watimi hu say okay we know where they all patch it enti enkwada no ense no so fa
ya das eski das papa yenko teacher Emmanuel ho na yene no kodinko teacher yemo akọ abachin bi
ye na ma
na ho yede
me adum na ho so
adum usuku baby atra de apostolic
pacho me cha de apostolic golden
jubilee
jubilee
apostolic apostle
golden jubilee I will ashtown here
okay yeni komo kakra sa o so tra de ni bi
pacho an
o tra ko du sen
mitumi che ko du GHS
3
pacho an
okay ayana my results na bad this time no o dwena ho sen no say was it good or we were
result ni die na nye die na ye hwehwe no
more expect
those na enye bad sanso die
okay
but ye hwehwe
bia won go
good de na ye ka ye pen pa die ye nsa anka ba na mum no eye
ye na mum pen mum nsa anka
de ka grace anaka ye nka ye hwe ni mu no ye nsa anka no
nsa anka
de ba no so no eye bacho
then ebe ma akora feri ma misa so that ain't too much
the begina so pan ye say
35 40 that's on your tisku onye hwe
the begina so pan ye say akoda no ida say we nsua de
na jo sre na me bo 30 35 40 as just a school
we got to chakra be 40 column
akora
na metimi aka nsemienu ebia na obi wo ho a we nsua de we say na say no nkola no agro yo mu dedodo just wa wo
agro no mbebrewu
agro
emu de ya we tell me I know say you can see
okay
ebi ni de ha chiri
no kwene say me to me de me hu ni say phone na aba no nka very good pa but phone no ase nkola no e use ni wrongly nyama nanka phone betumi abo mo a omode beye no ase enko ne samu
you quite for
other side new movies Facebook TikTok cinema and then ase na abaye more twi omadwene free adesua ne mom so
okay
yeah
ati intense mum from so
okay me can say omonko a bia na ebi nso wo na ocheche nso na bia we tumi ambo amu yie ntimi mfa nhye nkola no nko a efebi nso bia na ocheche nso na bia ochena de na bia wa ambo no yie na bia wa anya ade
me sister bi ha mni ni nkom antim ba chobra betena konyi otiche buagu muso o se unsia de yo nyim no o se unsia de phone no mu de ko TikTok and then other minti fu ani antim pa chobra mo akwaba trouble with no doing akwaba
yeah na ma
you eni nkomo obodi no mo bia hu se de otie usuban obi bia hu atasi
Pacho ye frame melody na prekwamponsá
you
because school apostolic golden
jubilee school
me were form 2 me were 14 years
you phone
Pacho an
unya phone no the same
13
now the other sabre no because I may calculate 13 to 14 now na enyamba somebody phone kusua de teachers me wa inti then I unya phone now the other
me ka try me na nasi ombra me phone for coding project odi buy ni so na me storage ni nye phone ti me ma ono ne de na oje me de
on the phone for what
coding project
say no be anti
say yeah the scratch animations ICT senior obelbo amofra amo my de toys ni sa coding no motion ni sa de keka ho no etimi dia ye animation story amo obi ehu se say na opeso we na peso ye
tu nana de breu
pacho an
e nana sabi we bia be kora ne mani swa
pacho
nti wo so o maame e de ne de ma wo na wo do de na nya papa ne maame
pacho
okay yen hwe e free say de breu ene se di chiche ken no ko be no
ye de breu me no kwan bi so aboa me pa o ma di siem si say your fifth generation
mo
fifth generation
mo
and
okay
and fifth generation so aban your AI is be brave wo honom
AIs
your meta AI
pacho you
boy your my team
meta AI
pacho
phone so
or WhatsApp
pacho or WhatsApp
your friend online pacho ani
that's your bro
say bia wes bi na wonti ase a na wako honom na watimi abo e bi ti say anxious ko honom obeboa
anxious
pacho ai
now anxious no nti ase
wes ni bo honom a esusu
nti we suma
pacho
no say
ani
okay nti we ko honom boa
pacho
then now you know
you be brave which a good book man
so I said then now you know nti because experience me more say bi kro no
pacho me spell
good yanko
ANSIOUS
okay.
anxious.
Na misha mo sama no 1 point. Enti yamfa ne say wako ho eno akocho uwie no koye den. Some say e fa wa bi aboa wo. Aboa nti improve wo wadusua. Yes sir. To which level? You know say first na bia na teacher wa ha ti wo go obem. You know say first now yeah on and I'm 40. See first one about 30. Young fan is so about 30. Ampa. And I said, baby, I catch him say, I improve. And I improve only your speech. Any the way I will also see cow food. Said, dear, cry more fast because I'm crying TB. A film here said, I can more short as in tea. More word now, my cretin. Young show, who say a family of wow. I'm here to say, I could see me also. Or no better show, was all in your word be good. I Opemsuo 104.7 abaya ketekete na hotene nkano kan sam e de me no word no twam na mo Opemsuo radio so e Facebook a obetimi anya live na wahwe de ekoso wo baba atwenetena ho wo bema atwenetena ho na ne de asmaba yo enti apart from all show anxious and na aka na me de kai so if you are okay
yo a group bia
o ma mi ti o
pacho
o kra no
pacho
ma mi pacho ti o yankoi
yo group bia yo team online
okay
a bit to say apostolic school cadets
okay
MVL links
alright
MVL links corporation and only a 3 besties and I say 3 besties and also
but the way me sape
pacho ani
o ka ona mutile ona o leader
Debbie yeni na yeni leader
obi atibi
pacho
the way me sape
pacho
3 besties
pacho
o gina say no o gina say besties
yeni na your class back maybe is Vanessa and
mutile
pacho ani
the mother yeden online besties mother yeden
sometimes na we Karo bi se onko yina yin homework yebia yebia ni aba yebia yeba be truth or dare
no asamo o ye no kwafo dodo mo be the truth or dare eno ye die
ebia me bi say truth or dare now ka say dare me ka say I dare you to send me maybe 100 cedis when to me
no ka truth so
okas truth so no ka say on kan no kro bi or dey ne phone na ye chere me na no so waka chere me
so utibi
pacho
you can tweet o can dey also the phone okay apart from besties Radi Yankopon yo you are good though. It's good only baby lady be can say me mami when baby course na mechanical I'm free but at the corner say mu a don't say boni am person me kra no na me ye I'm liking you. And to move with 3 besties now, Mokoin.
And also,
Yes, only one no secrets.
No.
No, say. I said, we are among the Batwabon team will be at TV.
There be a fan to one.
And your mom never.
Pacha,
and you know, come babu because I can. Some more 3 besties. And apart from that, now, dear Papa, and yeah, Mosa, I saw Kosu.
You didn't come more for school, and now. Sometimes in some movies, Becca said just, and I can just. I say, no, you can cause I about being you. No, I can't do what it was. No, maybe it's not candy or ten about it. Maybe no, Patro, there be one baby. Patro, Annie.
No, I can't go tell about it. A billion concern.
Ibia, you will be it is say a clovio is a cura. Now, maybe some other consummation for crow. May I say, and unless I was so Becca say, now unless I saw a cacase beyond so because of a Chinese woman, now maybe since work I say you Korea woman, magazine,
apart from concerning your money, and come on, bang, you know, Teddy, a beer honor calamity. A beer of crack as an angel, Martin Coca. And then the own car.
I catch her.
It's a more catch them one. Future Ben, I'm not tired of my mamma.
Yeah, me case. Yemina, your day, pussy, ye are brabum.
Okay,
inti. Maybe since Obekase, I knew Lordina, dear now per se, one cassis went to a person, and I'm assuming pussy a friendship medium mubetity. And Nina, ye. Yanka say dini from media group Mavis Vanessa na Lordina MVL. Inti ye pese mini nai that she be yetimi kwa bucheni yanka say ye ye company ne yetuni dini MVL Lens Corporation. Mavis Baka say me na me fashion no me na me take model side no ene ne sa ni omanyoma na kika mo
so far there.
Me so missing the charm of and more bunny send your mobile cassa. No more
cassa.
May a cassa for son your money now. Indeed,
cassa, Ushia cassa. Ushia crab for so cassa.
Pacha Annie.
If you know
a crabba.
A crabba.
Pacha I.
A crabba. A crabba jibby.
Pacha.
And I will see a cassa and free.
Pacha Annie.
Okay. The other kind, my dad to say, the Indian, the Amoawisi, oh, phone me, say the truth.
Sometimes we homework cry now. But you can group now we actually just not just a homework now and we if you cross over homework. Now I go for phone, now it's so new mukasa. And sometimes to take talk. Now you see it should be now maybe because I mean game for Play Store and download you know my code na download na yebo and no society I do feel ya this so
into your way phone baby or how bit me exclusive or bra who share I think that would be data and after getting what you need on the phone I will share you can also off the data and Martian sir.
Pacha Annie.
I don't know how many sir now chema masigime concurring na maybe the yes now so I call yes now jadi siano now call TikTok now I we are okay with all the videos you see on TikTok.
Why
do you use the TikTok? Because by now some funny will say to me delete it shouldn't be on the phone. And I don't know saying.
Me say
oh, and yeah, just a phone. Catch on. If you don't need the TikTok, then you delete it. As I say, WhatsApp, you delete it because I don't know why you need WhatsApp at your age. As I say, just another meaning come first one. But I think more you need it. I say, I drop it. So definitely you go and check it. Say the next check and in the end fan say you see or improve teacher mbacho eyampa teacher ima na disu yakoso
oyade
okay yenti entwe ho kakra bi mra ba na fe yako anwensem eso na fe yede abisua ade ewia na emofra no wadi news ba beka na fe omo a be yinti yetwe ho ye ba ebeti ho mo anthem no na fe yasase edede wo so atoaso di yenti mofrey interview kichwe bia yen ade nyina SK ni mofra bi na ti asama mofra no eka etese omo asamka omo so asamka. Sometimes you have to listen to them and then know what to do. About time be have send baby school now man good na or they are banning nyina but to Diana no kwaseme me to me there you who are dum na dawoma me bagger no at that time no you 12 and then Berman so was it 14 into I think say maybe the ending nyame ado na ho na so this time into bebo video no amamati we some for no emra na fe omo nyina nkamom nhihye omo kama mfama na after this ombeto anthem no mon separate na mame
now no question na be go na to me yam omo etim enyam tsene na kwese is asam kra na ya kan me refu eti ba ya ba na be busa kwala na say e dey nti na so it's my classroom na ya chiro wa die na mo questions ma on say answer na kwala na do na bi enti ni answer eti na ya ba ya kwala na di ko na ya hwe enti a ma no ya ba say eti osani enti a ma no ya ba say eti osani go na wa kan wa gen job den ti na wo obu sani do wa na classroom teacher say na do e dey say the way to do man the man of person say o answer fa dey na show no ti ni ne who na ya man ba say enti man ba say you are na dream me e child no be there no na so be enti na man say we classroom to appear then see a man ba say opo oba e teacher ni child na no be obey na dey say na dan for our ten and change my identity on see a she ba no copy the na dan for me na ye deny office and osieni idio you say who did you and I say asa and man asa man say some of the country friends my day like a car and say yeah we say what's it your ma say teacher
my future, my hope forevermore. Apostolic, Golden Jubilee, and see your highest. Manchester, I will carry across the road where mountains are prepared for me, and see your highest. Manchester, my future, my hope forevermore.
Okay, my future, my hope forevermore. I wish you luck because somehow more can do. I learned some from poems and by Mike Nechinafi one for a mammy. Simple. Poem for Hona one for mammy tentem. Don't battle share Mike's and mammy number friend to me. And can't they also mocha? No question, mini. A toddy ding nase. Uchuani, Udia Unyo, Abofrano, Eja Oduno, Okasachi, Bia Wonte, Bibia, Suman Sha, Yama, Yasu, Ente, Na Radiadum, Enam Yasu, Emma, in collaborate at me and survive by grace. Collaborate to me and survive. Inti, Bibisa Koshuano, Ma Yaswati, and who Opemsuo already her, Nyedin Bisa, Mama Part of it. Ipakro bene obekasa kama wanhia me na uhia abena ni nyina si ho a abrado fia ne nya si ho a ebetimi no mofra no edi nkomo life enye fedi agro poems oba yenko.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Opemsuo Radio 104.7. I'm Kwenedua Bojopoko from Apostolic Golden Jubilee located at Ashtown, and today I'm here to recite a poem, and it's entitled The Cry of the Land. The cry of the land, deep in the forest, where rivers once sang, now lies in silence, bitter and clank. Golden streams dark with careless hands, Galamsey curse my motherland. The rivers are muddy, no fishes to see. Once crystal clear, now crying to be free. Children drink poison, their laughter is faint. Water turn bitter, like sorrowful pain. The cocoa trees fall, the farmland decay. Farmers abandon the soil every day. For quick shiny stone, men gamble with fate, but leave behind hunger, regret, and hate. Oh Ghana, my mother, your womb bleed red. Your valleys are broken, your rivers are dead. Can God feed the hunger? Can it heal the pain? When tomorrow's harvest is washed down the drain. Rise up, my people, and let's guard what is ours. The forest, the rivers, the sunlight, the stars, for wealth are not stolen, nor poisoned away, but planted with wisdom for children to stay. Thank you.
Thank you. Which you saying? So to tree. Which you saying?
Pacho Galamsey is saying you. Insiona saying tea. Fish piase and I'm in you.
Mate, edase, nanka and tisa na basa. Odo, yankoi.
Michiachia mommy penny for my chef, Metia for and my chef for my wife and my church for Nina. Me and me Gina Hay, me Dane the Sandra, Amoa Procrea, Nanso a dean army just way a Joan wafe. My name Samami Becking, Yatsuni Dean say, Ye mine, jen to me, no cre, ne ampa. Dear Ayano cre, dear Aya ampa, Aya cano cre, na one ampa. Man cano cranty, a mammy egu. Min chantro na enguase ankame Ghana ye man eyen ejapade kese asase a yegina so eyen tumi eyen ahoden nanso galamse abesei oribubu ye mfie na osen yasase nti yensu a yebenom atafom sesei nu yenim de ebeye ohaw bebre na galamse de mayen yentumi nhwe se yensu besei yentumi nhwe daachi bi de ehaw kese na bebre ye man yemma man ho ban ye hya se ye innwuma pa Ghana eye man Ghana eye na asede eye yentumi medam ase
edase papa edase yamma documentary enti omunfa akonyama no na ono nso so mra na fi onime emedin komo na fe mining na so entibi a little girl with a slim body auntie akwaba
Yana.
I want to say
Pacha nyamiado.
okay ona weka documentary
Pacha.
okay yankoi.
Hello everyone, welcome to Opemsuo Radio 104.7. My name is Comfort Boachira, and today we are going on an exciting journey to explore the beautiful tourist sites and the rich history of Ghana. I am here to present to you some historical sites in Ghana. Let's go. 1. Kalkum National Park. Our first stop is Kalkum National Park in the Central Region. This park is full of green forest and wild animals like monkeys and antelope. But guess what? The most exciting part is the canopy walkway. It's like a long hanging bridge in the sky. Tourists love walking high above the trees to see the amazing view. The canopy walkway is about 40 meters high. That's taller than any school building. Elmina Castle. Next,
we visit Elmina Castle. It was built by the Portuguese in 1482. That's over 500 years ago. It tells a sad but important story about the slave trade. Many Africans were taken from here to other countries. Visiting the castle helps us learn about our culture. Visiting the castle helps us understand the past so we can build a better future. Inzulezu Steel Village. Inzulezu is a village built on water. Yes, row houses standing on wooden posts above a big lake. People travel by canoes to go to school, work and church. It's one of the coolest places in Ghana. Always love visiting to see how people live on water. Tourism shows us different ways of life and help respect others. Moli National Park. In the northern region, we see Moli National Park. This is where we can see animals like elephants, antelope, and baboon in the wild. It's like going on a safari. Tourists come from all over the world to enjoy the nature and take amazing photos. Menshia Palace, the Ashanti Kingdom. Last but not least, in Kumasi, we find the Menshia Palace, the home of Asantehene, the king of Ashanti people. The Ashanti people are known for their kente cloth and golden stool and brave warriors. This is where we can see the king of the Ashanti people. This palace is full of history and treasure. Tourists come from all over the world to learn the Ashanti culture. Kente cloth is colorful and every person has a special meaning. Ghana is full of amazing places and rich history. Tourism helps us share our culture and create jobs and protect our environment. So let's be proud of our country and keep it clean and welcome. Thank you for listening to Opemsuo Radio 104.7, and I will see you next time for more exciting adventures. Thank you.
Thank you, boss man. Abuchesi and the Tama Campum, so movie and Anka Baba, Omaka, and it is the same drew news and Bremo, and so a free apostolic school and Omode news see ba. Just say, as you have for Mama Kuni, French and Transi, not just say, I didn't know whom I'm afraid on when you marry on whom said your American news, Akurababa, Akurabana.
Eti osani gbogbo na wa kan wa dey intro dey ti na won obusani do wa na class teacher say na dey e dey say the way to do man the man person say o answer fa dey na show me o ti ni ne who me say dey na ya man ba sa dey man ba sa say you are na dey me e child no be dia no so until the man is me being the passion to do appear. Then see a man about say, a poor man, a teacher need child. I'm not your bear, I didn't say, Madame for our tenant change my dignity. Oh, see, she, the back, who are copy the Madame for me. Answer to money, because you're a baby. Opemsuo FM because you're buying some kind of bread, more. It's Monia Sonamuti 104.7.
Good afternoon, listeners, and welcome to the news at you. We are live on Opemsuo Radio 104.7 Menshia Kumasi. You can also follow us live on social media handles, Facebook and Instagram. I am Lodina Prekwamponsa and I'm here with my sisters
Frederica Inshapia and
Larisha Wachidankwenimaku.
Now the headlines. The President, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, has commissioned a new school building in Accra.
Heavy rains caused flooding in parts of Kumasi.
Teachers celebrate World Teachers Day.
Farmers in Kenya are happy because they have been given free fertilizers.
The Black Stars of Ghana prepare for their World Cup qualifying match on Sunday.
Now the news in details. The President, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, has commissioned a new 6-classroom school building in Accra to promote education. The project aims to reduce overcrowding in classrooms and make learning more comfortable for pupils.
In Kumasi, heavy rains yesterday caused flooding in some areas, including Abuabo and Askwa. The National Disaster Management Organization, NADMO, is helping affected families.
Meanwhile, teachers across the country mark World Teachers Day with activities to celebrate their hard work and dedication to education.
And now, international news. Farmers in Kenya are happy as the government begins a new program to provide free fertilizers to help increase food production.
In the United States, scientists have discovered a new planet that may have conditions similar to Earth. They say more research will be done to learn more about it.
Now, sports. In sports, Ghana Black Stars are preparing for their World Cup qualifying match against the Colachans of Comoros at the Accra Sports Stadium on Sunday. The captain of the team, Jordan Ayew, is confident the team will emerge victorious at the end of the match. That's all for the news this afternoon. My name is Lodina Prekwamponsa, together with
Frederica Inshapia and
Larisha Wachidankwenimako.
We will be back tomorrow with more updates. Thanks for listening and have a wonderful day. Thank you.
Yeah, Eddie, so be a oh, give them a clap. I think. Someone in your fakaka. Why are they? Na Mokamba for on. Into Chima, Obeso Chim Kusin, Bonitofanamity. So, why wouldn't be okay?
Your president, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, at the school buildings, Accra, 66 classrooms. Ama omo classrooms ni some more munkum no and I buy news in details in so yes we promote abo education no ama ne koso wa Accra and we are finding na and I see ba han so a yes insu ato ama ekrobi so asai ho ni na waboa ema etimi abo ama overcrowding bia insu ayira fa ho bia sisi de ekofom e kwan ni na na mboa ni ntina insu ta na ayira fa ho ni na sisi de waboa me aye bibia
e patrol you
na Kenya fon so no omo ni edo omo de begu omo ndua so ama na nyini fe sisi insu etimi akwa ama ni na boa omo ni na atimi ama sisi ndua ni na nyini fe so abaka
patrol you.
Sports news on so Sunday ya na yekoboye yetimi ya qualify ajo World Cup no
Ghana for
acho ani Ghana for
Maji World Cup
acho ani
ujidi
acho ani Sunday ya ni
yeje sefini yakobo ana wo shankom
minimsi emergency
oh okay that's it yamin sham papa yemofra no na odi news ebremu no na mamin can say it's not all about school, it's about what you can do your own life at I say and it will be the fashion one will be the fashion one will be the ni na ye sebi ni panatsena se sua bribi e de amano ho a lady bi e wo a friend saying poly school street ni so cars wall street and so on baby na onim se boni din your friend mocha na or ye makeups and then so on na me onim say or the makeups no school no call ya call K University makeups me minimum da na ukotuna woka brofo because of that nti she get more students omo worry omo graduates near there because obe canning in album both tree and then the English so into on office but o chance said office because sinyame I don't every Saturday we will be at the netene anymore what do you think at say so it's not about what's in classroom no it's about what you can do so please ma amutie ebesrem say do something for yourself. Your antennas krokro bi ni dino eson enso ba ko etwato ye menu abema we free mo a nyambo next week ye be kura na chikura ba this time me so wi papa manim kama na mda se nyame ni munyam ono ni din ni kura no apia enti sister wada na wo be kai me menu adin kan se kana enedeja nkola na kieju omani enso aka me ni di ono se obecheche nimdie kakrafa your health. Sister,
Hello everyone, welcome to Opemsuo Radio 104.7, and I'm your radio nurse, Frederica Inshapia, from Apostolic Golden Jubilee located at Ashtown. Today, I'm going to talk about something very important that happens in our body, the excretory system. This system helps our body to remove waste and stay healthy. Just like how we take rubbish out of our house, our body also throws waste out every day. Let's learn how our body does it. What is excretory system? Excretory system is the part of our body that removes waste. It gets rid of things our body doesn't need, like dirty water and harmful chemicals. If these waste stay in our body, they can make us sick. Organs of the excretory system. There are 4 main organs of the excretory system: kidneys, ureters, bladder, and urethra. Let me explain them. Kidneys, they are like filters. They clean the blood and remove waste in the form of urine. Ureters, these are the tubes that carry urine from the kidneys to the bladder. Bladder, the bladder stores the urine until we are ready to pee. Urethra, these are the tubes that carry urine out of our body. How it works step by step. The kidneys filter the blood. They remove waste as urine. Urine travels through the ureters to the bladder. The bladder holds the urine. When it is full, urine leaves the body through the urethra. Other organs that helps remove waste. Lungs helps remove carbon dioxide when we breathe out. Skin helps remove waste through sweat. How to take care of the excretory system? 1. Drink plenty of water. 2. Eat healthy food. 3. Do not hold your pee for too long. 4. Avoid too much salty or junk food. So today, we have learned that the excretory system helps our body to remove waste. It is important to keep this system healthy by drinking water and eating well. The main organs are kidneys, ureters, bladder, and urethra. Thanks for listening Opemsuo Radio. See you next time.
Thank you. Mabom somano. My dear, sir, Enyama, me and say a bubodin, and ne, ebi mu tuchima, nyasam kutorade, oman and parrying. Nemon, brofuno say, ya yenum should be bring, yes, sir. Na yetini sebi ajon shot, yes, sir. And now say a drian ben and yamaye, in Chinbibri, and a dear beam.
Yeah, and tandy fruits.
And tandy fruit. Nature say, Bolly Junior Newman also. In your fruit, I am found one. And fruit you soon as in boy, you know that you so, you know, I did be the door so. One winning a man you are the one. In Tincola, some the fruit. Why? Namunya to fin to finish to your man. Maybe, you know, I am to. Kodu a hokro beto to fin, not to biscuit. No, I no, I just say, I is sugary. Be I sugary. So I just say, on so I won't know should be bree. Say, you see what panat of you, better to fin what you see. And Timongo so na yanu should do na etimi eja waste na we mu na piti said o kan no said o bra ofie pepepe toda ni paduano ehia se beprem na me nshira. I know said that you so nice. That is why I have taken that part. And now I'm paying. Okay. And the Ushrana can I mente now papa and Tunsu. And says over Papa to Zuma only Fuku. Over partner Yena. Mammy will be so ya dear like my bestie or no I can secret admire. Or no Obaba or Konoba or Konoba. If a bacope. Todam in Bessemeca, yes, I. Obesa you know say I didn't mean kwame bro so mami omre why be yes my dear to be so yes
Pachai
apia so yes
Pachai
to papa nkrachia no cha papa
me chiami papa Frederick Mohammed apia
you what he
Pacho mankesi
adwuma ben
Pacho tunton phones
you ja phones ja pia wanimu achia me ni masam ka we de mi huka obane say that awareness nti wo man kasim Hey, what a coincidence. I said, Becras. Mate, Yamishra. The idea more Frebby, some bachelor coin for so it be used to phone. Eski, as a man, I create king. Man, because Simpson, I mean, happy is to go free. I tell you, one yard. And I think I may my investigation. My investigation to me happy as I money. I met you before. See me or take care of bomb pie or say on fun goes to do. It is all my casino. It is our catch himself. In your Chicago, my casino, who now swab as a year. Best what you're saying. Teacher.
I said, Yamia show the farmer, a bee, I can't. Sure, be pa, and then now a tree. Pepe, Peda, a dear in Yabama Tumpum, and so Yame attitude. No one that say, you know, Deacon boy, you know, the one Chichiro, was in Yame, good. Without God, no, easy. Namia showed the I am the book running saying Sadania. I'm family. I didn't wake up. Look, I look at a camera wake up. And would go to the program. There be Professor Samuel. Professor Samuel. It's all 10 hours of water. Yes, and the match buffalo. Yes, I'm here more mean to me, but or the deal told me preoccupy. Prophet. What I say to me, Shana. I hear you so by you by anything. You remember a couple of me. Yes, oh, my Matibra, that's it. I don't know to away. I also read it. Kwa much to it. Until you are a quan with that bank coin so. That by okay. You far a quan so a papa ya or ye free coin so. You couldn't 2,000 gram refi. I want to walk. School for you. And you more do my Bible and I pay. Say, Namia Duma, now what you're saying, and be soon in your bio, mamma, part, in your bema, you watch it. No announcement to you. Haven't you seen? I don't go on and Granamra. I met as one and I'm a journal, Cassie. And so, Yami had the moment. Nafi, I was only for Umra and Transit. Mammy be say, Abraham, apostle, him. I almost so many bidding come on how to use a phone. Yes, sir. My dinding and let the meeting summer. Yes, question may be son or me, I know, Yano. But what you say, we need to walk. Young choir.
Good afternoon, listeners. Welcome to Opemsuo Radio 104.7 FM. My name is Lodina Sewa Jamfi from Apostolic Golden Jubilee, located at Ashtown. Today, we are diving into something we all have, our smartphones, and how we can use them to boost our system or education and learning. Stick around because tip has 3 could really change how you learn on the go. Let's start. Tip number 1, use educational apps. Apps like Khan Academy, Duolingo, or Quizlet can turn your phone into a portable classroom. Whether it's math, science, languages, or exam prep, these apps have you covered. Tip number 2, listen to podcasts and audiobooks. Use apps like Spotify or Google Podcasts to subscribe to educational podcasts, or try audiobooks on Audible, perfect for learning while you work, travel, or do chores. Tip number 3, last but not least, use your camera for notes and turn your phone into a note keeper. Use your camera to snap photos of whiteboards, book pages, or homework instructions. Better still, use apps like Google Keep, Microsoft Lens, or Notion to organize those notes properly. Thank you.
Thank you. Yes, my dear.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Opemsuo Radio 104.7. I am here to teach you how to use smartphone in learning. I'm here to talk about algorithm. Algorithm is the step-by-step instructions you follow to solve problem or do a task. Just like a recipe for making jollof rice. In Scratch, when you create a game, the blocks you put together are an algorithm, telling the sprites what to do. Can you create your own algorithm? Tell us in the comment section. Thanks for learning. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.
Thank you. Don't forget to learn, share and also subscribe. Enti nyame shamu. Some need to do fun ye die enye tokwa. Ti de okeka abire me fun ma bitima ye ni sa. Yes or no? Who phone? Who obi?
Pachai.
We did we use go kwan ben so. We dey so aboa wa na sa ya we dey.
Aboa me.
Na back side nde unyanko.
Back side no.
No na beka. Do you watch TikTok?
I watch some.
What? So what continue? Not that much. As I say, a baby now one idea go. And I much. January. Na April. Not that much. Unko hokra. Yen person mbesi ho. Go ye ko. And when say me I don't just accept anybody's request. Me ni pakro no. Me share the contents na. Maybe I may ma accept no. Yes, I may accept too. When you ask Papa be asabi, obeka na say na me say Mr. Simple DJ warrior no then you want to watch and channel I say na be one I say no gina na I say na me heno. At say yes me I go for my friend saying words of a ye ankasa e wo ho and a big boa a foot room a be nyamesem a be nyaminum a be that kind of thing. Oh shop a sana wa accepting a friend request because on to mean now so sawo wa man kwan. Unsa santa uko Facebook or be say are you interested in this a year? If you are interested then what pick you on your interest you let it go. Me well for me my block is here. You want out of phone mama so you can't tell me how to use my phone and who to stay on my phone. What I say. My sababo ambibri yadamasi teachers international yemfa inchia twato na ko Facebook Auntie Mary ewo say wow that's nice Auntie Mary kojo asempa furnitures me hu ache papa mto nkache kafra na say na phone ha mitina mintanko was good afternoon to your listeners from kojo asempa furnitures works edum kuma say ne nyasem ketwa afei bi Vida say lovely Antivida, yeah, that's papa. And Yadina Emmanuel say the way they say the idea very first time, but they have done very well. No credit, they have done very well. Hey, Dindia Moon Booby, marriage marriage. Hey, lovely sister. Say Subema, yeah, that was papa. Teacher, Ode and Kra and Chia, but my school and penny for teacher for Nafi Otu kakra.
Yo, Madam Wase, Opemsuo Radio 4. Say ne mama ye akoya kese sei. Say yenso kakra isuya no ene. Obi atumi ehun say yenso so ye bo ye hu boni kakra.
Ojudi.
Nti nyame enhira mo. Na ye sign that school mpinfo nyina so ase.
Okay.
Say mama ye kwan say yemfa nkola nye den embra ha say
ene de ye
na kakra mo so ewo no ni bia mo wo no mo nchire amasan na obi ehu say school no so no ebo ne homoden kakra meka che awofo no say omo bo ayen
mo
na kakra nso ye no
correct for one point
NCP na NCTA
you
ko yen kwa no yen tumi nye say yen kwa ye bo ye try na say efie omo famu de anka ho a enko bibia anti kakra me nse ne say awofo so enhwe nkwano ma ewo fie na mo bia
ekwan ben so kan 2 and 3
omo embo like encheck omo emaye
omo check omo
adisuemu
omo adisuemu good
se be ya yenso ye kakra bi wa
checking point
bibia ye den abo ano
say Emmanuel from Apostolic Golden school na motin kano nti mu school pani no o ti aboni di
bacho ani ye school headmaster master manager elder Emmanuel Nimo
elder Emmanuel Nimo ye chia papa you go nshraw mo bon homodin ebomodin wa na misam papa eske nchia mi no bi na
eti na ya dwendwen niema ese suafo ye na omadisua no etumpon no na make sure mo se enkosi se we osuani a obohu se yesua de bobra na yesua de mfa empe certificate
there be
we learn for life and no certificate and this year no esua for no ehun side we because we are office say onya certificate ni we are bet me there do per bia enti no na afi kwan bia o person of us no onya certificate no and my examination more practices na there adoso no and this we osuani na wo gidie ni say usua de e de abobra na unsua de MP certificate a unfa wani ento aposo na mbom no ubama wani ada ho kwotena classroom a no waye suti na wa ma wadwun akode teacher chire wo no so
that's nipa ba ko betia no nkra no nya ready udu na no bodi no achia am no papa na wotwem
intimate Anglican parish priest Reverend Colonel Samuel Nyame. Na machia Mr. Wiswan, na machia Mr. Francis Akuwa. Na machia Victor
Abrumi
ama kwa champo
that's papa and the one ka mama wa bijan kwanta
wa bijan kwanta
mama dia no you me ba some city ma yo ho sam me zipu say na msanga chiko sam me ba police ni say fe no body ana ma refi ni askwa so yelu na me say me nim say my elite me so yelu ana so osama mi gina ho violence mam me dan man no na mbae dia na meka obeti ase enti police ejabodi me ba so askwa mkakoji me license ai kura ni so de man na kura be me mama mra kura
ya Saturday
I know they say but momra one by one oba no abodi no achia mama no papa obo mudi na wayi otilo gira ha you will be mujane ai obo o ma no papa ni ntwa konya mfi okra obo ma no papa di na wayi tino guest by day
pacho me chame ma Mr. Labedi oh man kesi me na me chame papa Frederick Mohammed apia ono so man kesi
nam gaza uchineza mu infante phone no
pacho
ayu mate nyamisha yes next person sharp yes my way
me chame ma me pat ama blefi a owo man su tetre me papa Nana Chidom hine akwesi Amwa Isaac a owo man su tetre
yo yedase say ma me name me yes next person o ya na ko afa ba ma
acho me chame ma me comfort brobe a owo kumawu na me chame papa Simon Boatin a ono su kumawu
yo omodas papa yes my dear mama no papa nso abaha
acho me dinti na ma ajimai
nana yo
me chame ma me Lishia ajimai
yo
na me cham papa Harry ajimai
yo on kan wo mu no we dey mu pa ko wo mu
acho omo wo CPC
yo ya te ya das papa yes my dear
acho me chama me Veronica also Kumasi na papa Morrison also Pokunso o Kumasi
yo ya das papa Kumasi nimbe bomte Kumasi kakakai
acho me chame ma me your friend Prince La Konedu wo Kumasi me chame papa your friend Francis Edu no so Kumasi
yo me na Kumasi yes
acho me chama Philomena Ofori wo Ashtown
yo
ana message so chama papa na napoku Roman Hill
mate that's papa na napoku da wase yes we mu hunsia de browning
Pacha mecha mami ombo. Mecha papa so ombo.
Omudin ho. Oba.
Ma mecha mami Mavis. Eso ni mako.
Okay.
Oh ombo. Mecha papa atani mako ombo.
Yati, it does papa. Yes, this person.
Actually, your friend Melody na prekwan. Mechia me mama Sarah will say to two crow from multi credit. And I mechia me papa Richard J. I'll no so Kumasi ase.
Mate. Yes, akwa baba.
Mechia me mama Sarah Pokia Jenfi our Menshia Palace.
Okay.
Na me papa Daniel Jenfi so no so Menshia Palace.
Bacho mate. Asa Naomi ba. Asa Naomi ba. Mate, ya das papa ye mofra oti omonken apostolic educational school Jubilee school enti nyame insha mofra bibre amaye nyama bibre ayesua asamofra ewo ya brabum ama yensoso daachi ibetimi minim senso ya brano ebekoso no makasa say eski erade unsha bibre kwa